On Animal Logic. I mean, recently on Animal Logic. Who was today? Part 1. Animals love Harlem Shake. Eat my foot! Number 2, animals hate heat. That's true! 2, 1. I'm dying! That's way better. Uncle Phil died by doing that. Number 3. Animals can become drawing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that feels so much better. Yeah, so animals can become drawings. Like, here, I'll do it again with me doing the...
Why do you even switch it?
Okay, yeah, but you know what I mean. Okay, we're going to part 4 already. Bye. Number 4, animals hate hunters. Oh, roar! So long, sucker.
Pikachu, I know that's you.
Oh, darn it. I wish I could just scare you for once. Oh, there's a bug on your head. Just kidding. Number 5. We are going to do a party. Actually, I don't know. It seems like, okay, this is on to number 5. Okay, guys, number 5 is that animals sometimes do not know what the logic of life is. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, so how animals are stupid, I'm going to show you what I mean, because I've caught Owl doing some really weird things. Like, Owl will not stop doing this weird sit thing. I'm trying to get Owl to stop. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Shh. See what I mean?
What are you looking at?
Nothing. Oh geez. No. Okay, I gotta end the video. I'm sorry. I really gotta end the video. Bye.
That's the end of the video. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Please leave a like. Leave a like. Please subscribe too. Goodbye.